go, little man. You're sitting in the water. He's like, I want to do it, but it's cold. He's trying to stand up. I know it's cold, but it's fun. It's cold, but it's fun.
Ian, it's just like dating.
Woo!
It's like dating.
You are
cold,
all
but it's
wet.
fun.
You are all wet. You are all wet.
You go put him in a hot bath right now, he will go straight to sleep.
He's fearless. He wants to go head first, is what he wants.
That's cold.
It is cold, but he wants to be in there. You are crazy, little man. I know it's cold.
He wants to go swimming. I think he wants to.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't wait to get the pool warm.
You want to get
It's
the...
warm, yeah.
He'll go now. He doesn't seem to care.
No, I mean tomorrow I'll get it warm and.
I can go put my bathing suit on.